This video has reached over 1 million views in less than 24 hours. Let me show you how you can create it using the sequence mode on Apetelligence. In the create section of Apetelligence, I've finished creating the stills for the sequence launch video. If you want to learn how to generate this kind of images, you can check out the Stuttgart March Day video here. Now go to Sequence, New Sequence, click the plus button and select one by one the images that will compose your sequence. Once all of our images are selected, we click Add Images at the bottom. Our sequence is now created. Now, to animate an image, it's extremely simple. I can simply click on my shot, select AI mode, and wait for it to generate 3 animation proposals, the most natural, cinematic, and unique, with one combination highlighted as the best fit. I also have the option to click Details in the bottom right to access the fully written animation prompt. We're going to create an animation based on the best fit option. I select it and click Generate. Let's follow the same process for the next shot. I select it and wait for the AI to generate 3 animation options. Whenever I like several options, I generate a version for 2 or 3 different animations. Once a video is generated, I can still make modifications. For example, I like to add rain to my scene. I can write a prompt like make the scene rainy and click on Apply Edit. Let's start working on another image. Let's take shot number 10 for example, with our subject in motion. I want the camera to be stable, so I combine the AI mode suggestions with the gimbal preset before generating a version with that option. For most of the shots of my videos, I'm sticking with the AI mode. As you can see, in about 3 clicks, my image is already being animated. However, in some cases you want a precise animation. For example, on this shot, I like the bee to delicately fly off our subject's finger. To make sure my animation idea is respected, I'm going to switch to manual mode. I got motion, speed, and camera, which allow me to shape the animation by choosing from a selection of presets. Motion covers the camera movement. Speed is a slow motion or regular speed. And camera controls how smooth my camera movement is. To describe my shot, I'm going to write bee slowly flying off the finger of my subject. I then click on Suggest, so the AI will generate a more detailed version of my prompt to optimize its animation. I'm now going to continue animating the rest of the images we need with the AI mode so we can move on to the next step. Now that all of my videos are generated, I can upscale my entire project to 4K. You can either upscale clips individually or select your base stakes and batch upscale all of them at one time. If you want to share this project with your team or client, you can use the share button. This feature allows you to generate a public link to your sequence. Whoever you send it to can preview the images, watch the videos, and check the settings without having to yet. They can import the project themselves and directly edit and use in it. Once it's done, I can click on Preview to visualize the final animation of my sequence. If you like the result, you can click in the top right to export the sequence. Thank you for staying until the end of this tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to use Apetelligence to optimize your creative workflow, feel free to subscribe. Click on that link to watch the full final result.